Going back to Zurich.
Interlaken. Interlaken is a wonderful experience. Yeah. And the most expensive. Wonderful indeed. Ano kasi
Doon na lang sa coach pag nasa bago tayo.
Wala kang...
Going to Zurich. Hi guys, welcome again. This is our day 5 of our European tour. We just finished our Switzerland adventure. We've been here for 2 days. So going to Jungfraujoch and Grindelwald mountainside. And also after this, we're going back to Zurich, and then when I see you next, it's gonna be in Milan. So that's something that you need to look forward to.
Bahala ka na mag-edit. Kaysa naman wala akong magawa. Pag idle time, pwede ka...
Hi guys, and we're back here in Zurich, Switzerland. We have 2 hours to kill because we are going to Milan, which is our next stop. It's our 3rd country, Italy, in this European tour. So far, okay naman. Kaya lang, may mga eksena lang na minsan nalilate kami sa timing, so kailangan tumakbo. So i-anticipate niyo yun guys pagka travel, kasi efficient talaga yung mga bus systems dito sa Switzerland and sa Europe.
How was the experience? The amazing race?
Amazing race, takbuhan. Talagang hinabol namin kasi 11:02 yung aming train going to Interlaken. Baka 11:55 na nung nakarating kami dito sa Zurich train station. So tumakbo kami guys. Talagang hinabol namin, and luckily naabutan namin. Kaya meron kaming hang up kanina. Yung pabalik naman, mali pa rin na-i-book naming ticket. So additional 200 dirhams per person. But again, that's part of travel guys. So you will learn as you go along, as you travel. So I hope guys na makapag-travel din kayo and na-experience nyo yung mga ganito, because it makes you feel alive when you travel. Tita Mel, describe your tour so far. One word.
Bless.
Miss Kat. One word. Nag-isip. Ang tagal.
Extravagant.
Wow! Ang lalim. Sarod.
Amazing.
Amazing. Wow.
Ikaw.
Ang yayaman ng mga kaibigan ko. Ako, nag-iisip pa rin ako eh.
Camera.
Hindi, mahirap eh. Fortunate. Gusto mo yun. First impression of Milan.
Crowded.
Sarod.
Busy.
Tita Mel. Busy. Daming tao, sis.
Dami tao. Maraming
Oo.
people.
Hindi katulad ng Switzerland tsaka ng Germany na parang, hindi lang natin nakita. Napaka-busy dito. Daming tao, guys.
Sige, labas muna tayo. Hanap tayo internet.
Asa na tayo?
Punta na po kami sa hotel. Milan.
Central Station.
Central and Eklat.
Daming tao dito, guys. Nakakalito. Naman lang kung saan kami lalabas.
Alam ko na yung idea na ano yun. Short is Good afternoon, Milan. So, Mr. Brian, what do you like about the place?
I like that there are a lot of people. It's just like Dubai. It's a melting pot of different cultures. However, the food is excellent, especially if you really like, Italian food. The pizza and also the pasta. At isa lang napansin ko, bawal ang pangit sa Milan. So, iniisip ko bakit nandito ako eh.
No, you're not. Okay, speaking of pizza and pasta, so ano yung bagay na na-culture shock ka about those food?
Sa Milan pala, when you order, you should order per person. It's not good for sharing, unlike in other places na parang you can, if ever dalawa kayo, isa lang yung order nyo to share. Here, dapat per person, umu-order. So, yun yung medyo culture shock. But then again, it's part of the culture and yun, kailangan mo rin na-experience.
What about kapag magte-take away ka ng pasta from the restaurant? Paano nagre-react yung mga server?
Ayaw nila kasi gusto nila you eat the pasta fresh after being served. Kasi after a day daw or a few hours, hindi na daw siya masarap. Which is true naman.
Una mattina mi sono alzato, oh vela ciao, vela ciao, vela ciao, ciao, ciao. Una mattina mi sono alzato e ho trovato l'invasor. Oh partigiano, portami via, oh vela ciao, vela ciao, vela ciao, ciao, ciao. Oh partigiano, portami via, che mi sento di morire. Se io muoio da partigiano, oh vela ciao, vela ciao, vela ciao, ciao, ciao. E se io muoio da partigiano, tu mi devi seppellir e seppellire lassù in montagna. Oh vela ciao, vela ciao, vela ciao. Ciao, ciao, e seppellire lassù in montagna.
So ayan guys, ito yung pinaka-famous na shopping center dito sa Milan. Maraming Pilipino and marami silang mga high-class na brands dito like Prada, Louis Vuitton. So, nighttime and then try namin bukas na magpunta rito na medyo maaga para wala pa masyadong tao and para makapagpa-picture rin ng mas maganda. Sige. The 2 euros? Is it 2 euros?